Am I the only one that didn't know about these hidden hazards? Let's fix them together. Overloaded sockets can turn your living room into a tinderbox. Always use power strips with surge protectors and avoid daisy chaining extension cords. It's a simple step that can prevent a potential disaster. That faint smell you often ignore? It could be a gas leak waiting to happen. Gas leaks are silent but deadly. Install a gas leak detector and regularly check your gas lines to prevent any mishaps. It's a small investment for peace of mind. Mold isn't just icky, it can seriously affect your health. Use dehumidifiers and clean moldy areas with appropriate cleaners. Don't let mold take over your home. And an outdated smoke alarm? It's useless in an emergency. Make sure your smoke alarms are up to date. Test your smoke alarms monthly and replace batteries at least once a year. It's a small task that can save lives. Tiny cracks in your walls can mean big problems. They could indicate structural issues or water damage. Don't ignore them. Which of these hazards surprised you the most? Let's add a few more to the list. Stay tuned. Expired fire extinguishers are another hidden hazard. Make sure yours are up to date and easily accessible. It's crucial for fire safety. Carbon monoxide detectors are essential. Install them near sleeping areas and check them regularly. They can be lifesavers. A rusty water heater can leak and cause water damage. Inspect it annually and replace it if necessary. Don't wait for a disaster to happen. Clogged dryer vents can cause fires. Clean them out regularly to keep your home safe. It's an easy task that can prevent a fire. Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Your feedback is important. Like, share and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home safe. Let's spread the word. Safety isn't expensive, it's priceless. Protect your loved ones. Download our free home safety checklist now. It's a great resource to keep your home safe.